there, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how to draw a drone. To draw a drone, I'm using my color pen today. So here's my blue color pen. At the beginning you have to draw an oval and a little dot over it. And now you have to draw another oval. Let's color the oval with blue. Okay, so here's the drone's first wing. Here's the second one. I'm using black a bit. And now I'm using my pencil. Now it's time to use cyan. Don't worry, it will be okay. I'm using my cyan highlighter pen to do it faster. And now here's the third wing. Finally, the fourth one. I'm using yellow a bit. And now blue. Cyan. Again, my cyan highlighter pen. But the lower part should be more darker. Perfect. Now let's draw bigger wings. Nice! Now it seems like it's the drone's legs. Let's fill it with blue. The most important thing is the drone should contain a camera, right? So, here it's camera. I'm using yellow a bit. Now let's draw two more legs. It should be a little bigger. This one as well. Okay, my drawing is done. And this is how you can draw a drone within few minutes. Thank you so much for watching.